Okay, I have a little bit of an issue. So, you know how I filmed that video of Popin cooking a couple days ago, or 2 weeks ago? Yeah, I really enjoyed that. So, in response to me enjoying that, I got a couple Popin cookins. And I wanted you guys to vote on the next one that I do in the comments. Well, it's mostly in the comments is the one I'll pick. If there's nothing in the comments, then I'll pick the one that looks the most fun. So we got a wide variety up in here. A bento Popin cookin, ramen, an ice cream Popin cookin, a donut, a gummy, and a waffle and a waffle Popin cookin. So the one I picked to do today is the sushi one. Also, quick warning, if you hear a bird in the background, sorry about that. I just like to make bird sounds. So it seems everything in here is about the same as last time. I think it'll be a bit more difficult this time. I assumed that these are going to be sweet this time because last time I thought that the burger one was going to be savory, and I was wrong. I think this one will look cute, or be fun, at least. Prepare a glass of water. Let me just mention the boxes of these freaking, like, Popin cookins are so brightly colored. Like, anyways, now it's time to open it. This isn't as fun as this of sounds, but it's fun sounds. There's a lot more things in this one. So they have this weird little squish thingy. I'm going to look at the directions and try to understand them. Do I cut these ones apart? The oval depression one with water, but how much water? Just the whole thing. I'm going to use this to put the water in it. I don't want to like fill it too much, so I'm like being cautious. I'm not sure how much to fill it. You can't even see it very well, but I don't know. I think that works. Oh, I need scissors. Got scissors. Looks pretty white. Like a salt or something. This time I wasn't given anything to mix it with, so I'm gonna get something. I got a tiny little spoon, so hopefully this works. It smells like licorice, like red licorice. This is not looking like rice. I was hoping so much more for this one. It's not even like rice-like. I guess it doesn't look that rice-like, but come on. I'm gonna add like the smidgiest bit more of water. And it did nothing. This smells so much like licorice, it's kind of weird. Whoa, this feels weird. Foam peanuts. It feels like touching foam peanuts. So the rice came together, I guess. I hope it isn't messed up now. Make omelet. That's so strong. That smells like grape. I can't tell which one of these to put it in. Maybe this one? Where's the line? I feel like I'm supposed to add the water first because then this situation might not have happened. Why does this smell like grape? So my least favorite flavor of like any candy is grape. I also think I've added too much water. Like maybe it'll solidify like the burger, you know? Am I supposed to get utensils? I have no utensils. This is not a utensil. Whatever, we're gonna make the tuna now. I have a feeling I'm not gonna like this one because of just the smells alone. This one smells like grape too. Pinkish, purplish, I guess. I'm gonna add the water first. It does look pretty tuna-y. This is way too much water. They're trying to screw this up for me. It always shows this. And I'm like, where is that? This tuna's not looking that great. Hopefully this comes out of the thing. You see, cause I pushed it out, and then yeah, I moved around, and then it's fucking Jello. What is this? What is this? There's like no rice. in this. I think this looks about the same. I remember seeing these online as a kid. This is not how it looked on the YouTube videos. What is this? What is this? This one turned out a lot better. Maybe I was supposed to wait. There's not enough rice for this. So I'm going to make the last one. I'm gonna lose it. I don't even have a drink this time. I think I'm maybe I was too impatient for the pink one. I think I might have been too impatient for the pink one. Soy sauce? Where the hell do I put the soy sauce? I'm so freaking stupid. They had this in the packet the whole time. I just found it. I think this is gonna be really cool. Everything in this just smells like grape. I have a little bit of a dilemma. The things aren't mixed yet, and I don't know if me mixing it with this covered in yellow shit is going to mess it up. Take this, drip it into here. You see, this is really cool. But how do I get them out? Oh shit. I sucked them up inside of this thing. It's out. It's out. I got it out. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap the rice ball. So we have our rice ball. And then we have our seaweed. This is really thick. I think what I'm supposed to do is not break it. It kind of smells like a haichu. It's the tiniest little thing on earth because this seaweed is kind of shit. So I'm gonna use like this little shovel thing to get the little guys out. They're actually really cool. Here it is. I don't freaking know. And then with the second one, since I don't know what the hell to do with it, we'll do a mixture of everything. Oh, we'll put this on top. It won't stay. Oh, and I gotta get a little bit of this, the ultimate sushi. You're gonna laugh when you see this because it looks horrendous. It looks terrible compared to the last thing that I made. I actually hope these turn out like to be good. It'll pop if I do that. Ew, it kind of just mushes. I keep seeing my computer bag over there and thinking that it's a bear or something, or like a wild animal. I'm losing it. Soy sauce, and I'm not sure where to put it. So, this thing is chocolate with freaking grape. I'm gonna do like that. Whoa, that turned really dark. Got this spatula thing. I bet you're excited for the reveal. Yep, this is what it looks like. This one doesn't look too bad if you ignore like this. And this one's a bit of everything, so I wanted to... It looks terrible because it is just everything. It looks like a heart that I ripped out of someone's chest and put some weird stuff on it. And then this, I don't know. Oh, and this is our soy sauce. I'm in pain with this one. I'm dreading tasting this. I'm gonna try this because I'm most curious about this. At first it tastes like a very artificial, like red fruit punch, but not a good one, like a pretty bad one. And then afterwards it just tastes like gum because it is juicy at first when like you pop it. And then when all the juice goes away, it tastes like chewed up gum. Now for the soy sauce. It tastes like grape with a hint, like it's thought about sour stuff, but like really crappy grape. Like think the worst grape gummy you've ever had. I'm gonna try this because this one looks the most appetizing. This is very sticky. Yes, altogether it tastes like bubblegum. This part is like really strong and sweet. The bubbles have no effect. The rice has the worst texture in the world. This one tastes terrible. Like it's really sweet. I don't even know if oh, also that it also has like a hint of grape flavor in it. I think this rice is supposed to be like grape, but honestly, this rice has the worst texture ever. So the next one, this one looks pretty alright. I think all of these taste the same, but this one, like the last one I had, I cannot swallow that. Maybe it's just me today and how I feel with eating stuff. All of it has a hint of grape. So yes, this tastes like grape. This tastes like nothing with the color yellow in mind. It's the red one. Shitty strawberry flavor. Very terrible strawberry flavor with the terrible rice that tastes like grape. It tastes like medicine. Honest, yeah, the first one I tried, that one's the best one so far. Now, since this is a video on YouTube, I'm gonna try it all together. So I got the ball things, the rice, the yellow thing. I got a bit of the red that you kind of can't see. Red, the black thing, the bubbles, the yellow, the rice, all together in one for your enjoyment. Grape with cherry or strawberry. Make it medicine. Add a very strong strawberry flavor that is kind of firm when you chew on it, and then this mushy, disgusting texture. Sorry I'm not selling this to you guys, but this is my experience this time. These freaking burgers, fantastic compared to this. Like, I'll have those a million times over if I don't have to have this. And make sure to comment down below which Popin cookin I try next. At least I only swallowed one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.